Hi, I'm Lydia Liu Di. Today I will show you how to type of a text in the model space and paper space. First, let me introduce what is the model space and paper space. For the model space, it is by default. We are drawing in the limitless 2D drawing area. It's called the model space, and it is usually under this model tab. So when we click on the layout, it is for the paper space, for printing of the drawings. And in the layout, it also has the model and paper space. So first, let me show you how to type of a text in the model space. Here are the three views from a three-dimensional figure, and they are the front, end, and plan views respectively. Here I want to mark them to differentiate them. So let's start to type the text for the command, and click on the area for the start point. So here, this is the front view, so I put in the front view, and for this, it is the plan view, so I put in the plan view, and the same, this is the end view, so I put in the end view. So after we finish all the typing, so we click on the other area and type on the ESC tab for escaping the typing mode. So here it is, and when we click on layout, we can find that the words that we have just now typed in is also appearing in the layout in the model space. And when we click on the paper space, it's also appearing. But in the paper space, when we click on the area and type in the text, choosing the area for typing. For example, I want to type in the word scale. So when we finish, we also click on other area and tap on the ESC tab. And when we finish, we click on the model tab. We can find that there's no scale appearing in the model space. But when we change to the model space in the layout, and type in the text for the command, and click on the area that we want to put in our text. So here I want to put in my name, my student number, and my class number. So let's type in. When we finish, we click on the other area and press the ESC tab. When we back to the model space, we can find that the words that we just now tapped in is appearing in the model space. This is because that in the layout, we are in the model space. So when we are in the model space in the layout, when we scroll our mouse, we can find that the other elements that we have put in the model space are changing of their size and position, but the scale that we have typed in the paper space is not changing, both its position and size. But when we change to the paper space in the layout, when we scroll our mouse, we can find that the whole area, this paper, is becoming smaller and bigger. So that is about the type of a text in the model space and the paper space. But lastly, what I want to mention is that for different kinds of drawings with different limits, the size of a text is various to make the words visible. So for example, for this drawing, the limit is about 500 and 500 in both the width and the length. So let me check the text size. Well, we can click on this format and choose the text style, and we can see that the text height is about 10. But for this drawing with larger limits, we can check on the text size. It is about 5,000 in height. So it is very important for the drawing with different limits. That's all about the type of a text in the model space and paper space, and thank you for watching.